Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm sure has been long awaited from me. I always do, well not always, but most of the times do like first impressions slash reviews on the new Fenty products. So today I have for you the review of the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out bronzers and blushes, cream blushes. So yeah, we're going to be trying that out on the channel and seeing how those work. If you want to see that, make sure you keep watching. So here I have fresh packaging. It looks like all of the other Fenty Beauty products packaging. Right off the bat, the bronzer is definitely much larger than the blush. I got the shade Chocolate, which was like the second to last deep shade. So hopefully this will be the right shade for me. It has the same like color packaging as the regular bronzers. And then the Cheeks Out. Uh-oh, y'all. See, this is what I'm talking about. They gave me the wrong blush. Y'all, they played me. I was supposed to get the Daiquiri Dip Cheeks Out bronzer and they sent me Drama, which, girl, I don't know. I mean, I guess whatever, you know, whatever. I'll try it out for the video, but this is not what I wanted. I wanted the Daiquiri Dip, hence why I have a pink eye going. I thought this was gonna be pink. So that's like a thumbs down to Sephora. Like, what are you doing? Like, why did I get the wrong color? Hello. But whatever. I'm probably gonna have to return it. Maybe, we'll see. If it doesn't look good, I'm returning it because I didn't ask for that. But I have a stippling brush from Real Techniques, and I thought that this would be like the best type of brush for like a cream product like this. I don't know how much these retail for. I forget because I picked them up during the VIB Rouge, whatever it's called, the VIB sale. I will link these products down below. I'll link the one that I was gonna get and then the one that I actually tried out just for convenience. But I think these range from like $26 to $30 something. So just make sure you check the description box. Okay, so it has a mirror, which is great. I'm really scared to use this, but let's just go for it. Right off the bat, the color doesn't look very like warm to me. It looks like it'll be more of a neutral or cool tone, which means that this is probably going to be a contour for me, not really a bronzer, but let's just go for it. Yep, it is very cool on me. Formula seems pretty decent. I'm not really mad at the formula and the way that it's blending so far. I'll add more for the effect. Alright, so far pretty decent. It warmed up a little bit as I blended it out, but it's still not like my color preference, shade preference when it comes to bronzers. Now as a contour, this is perfect. Like, it's not too cool to where I look dead, but it's also not like, you know, you try to contour with something that's warm. It does look more bronzy and that it doesn't add as much shape. This is like the perfect tone for me. And at first, looking at it online, I didn't know if it would even be like as deep as I like a contour to be, but this is actually pretty bomb. Like, I like this. And this formula is really good. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and, girl, I cannot believe this. Like, why would they do this to me, y'all? I'm not adventurous when it comes to blushes, but maybe I put this on and I like it, but I'm gonna have to film a couple of more videos after this, and I'm gonna be looking a fool at this girl. All right, I'm taking another like dense packing brush, and I'm really about to not put too much of this on. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, because I can't imagine what this is gonna look like. Like, hopefully, oh, on the brush it's looking a little bit more pinky than purpley here. I don't know if you can see it. That doesn't look as purple as it does in the pan. That's not that bad. It's not that bad, because it ends up being a little bit more on the pinky purple side, which saves the day, than it is like this true like purple, because it doesn't look, see, that does not look the same. Wow. Okay. Y'all, that is not that bad. Okay, y'all, like, I think I am definitely going to keep this. This is gorgeous. Now, if you were looking for that color specifically for my brown skin girls, that is not the same color. But if you're looking for a color that suits you, this would be it. Like, this definitely doesn't look like how it looks out of the pan, but it is a great shade for deeper skin tones. Like, this is lovely. Now, I'm still going to order the color that I wanted, because I feel like Daiquiri Dip was going to look so bomb on deeper complexions. So I'll pick that up hopefully before the Sephora sales ends, because I don't know when that thing ends and I want my percentage off. But yeah, and I love how it gives like this subtle glow. I honestly believe that cream products just look way more natural, and I love it. I wish more brands would make higher quality cream products, but this is pretty good. Like, Fenty really did it with that. And powder blushes too, when she comes out with those, I'm sure they're gonna be like a good complement to this. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish my face, and then I'll give you like my final little impressions on the bronzer and blush. All right, guys, I have my makeup on, and I definitely like the way that the bronzer and the blush go together. I like the formula. I feel like the pricing on it is pretty decent. The blush could have been bigger. Like, this is really small, but I think for travel purposes, this is great, but I would probably $20. I mean, it's Fenty, so you know, what can you expect? But dang, girl, this thing is super tiny. But I would say for most people with cream products, having a big thing like this, if you have multiple bronzers and blushes that you like rotate through, that blush size is a pretty good size, so that it doesn't expire before you can use it all. And that's a great travel friendly like compact size for that. And if they were to come out with like a small version of the cream, that would be pretty cool too, because like I have a lot of makeup, so things that come in small packages, if the pricing is also smaller, is like great for me, and I would rather opt for that. But yeah, I'm still going to order Daiquiri Dip. I cannot believe they played me by sending drama class, but I'm no longer going to say that they played me because I like this. I'm keeping this. This is gorgeous, and it's unlike anything that I have in my collection already, so I'm keeping this. But I'm just like, hello, like, girl, I don't need y'all to send me what I ordered. So I'm gonna, literally as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to get on Sephora and get the other one, and then I'll update you in a future video with how I like Daiquiri Dip once I get it. But y'all, this is pretty decent. Like, I'm loving it so far. I'm going to continue to use it. If you are looking for the cream bronzer to be like more bronzery, at least for this shade, it's not the style of bronzer that I typically go for. If you, like me, like a warmer bronzer, this, you're not going to want to probably use it as a bronzer, but I could definitely recommend it for you as a contour. So if you're also interested in a contour, a cream contour in a compact like this, then go for it. First impressions wise, go for it. I'm gonna see how it lasts and holds up throughout the day. Hopefully it doesn't do any like slipping and sliding. But yeah, guys, with that is all that I have for you in this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next video.